Today's video topic is drug discovery and development, in that in vitro studies and the in vivo studies. In vitro studies, study on the component of organism, that is the test tube experiment. Example, component of mice, blood, plasma, tissue, etc. In vitro studies is the in the drug is inserted in the component of organism and not also the whole body. Advantage: study can be completed in short period of time, reduce risk, investigator can focus on a small number of component. Drug affinity is the ability of drug to bind its biological target, that is the receptor, enzyme, etc. Selectivity: drug should bind to specific receptor site on the cell. Cell disease model: it is used for to understand what cause of the disease. Isogenic human disease model: in this, they are provided with a genetically matched normal cell to provide isogenic system. They can be used to model any disease with genetic foundation. Example, cancer is one such disease for which isogenic model have been widely used. Stem cell disease model: in that, adult or embryonic stem cell carrying or induced to carry defective gene can be investigated in vitro to understand latent molecular mechanism and the disease characteristic. Stem cell disease model are mostly used. Then lead candidate refinement: the lead candidate, that is the drug, is to develop for the better performance. The refinement in structure is in order to improve their potency, oral availability, selectivity, pharmacokinetic properties, ADME properties. In that, there are the in vivo studies. In the in vivo studies, the study on a whole living organism give information about the metabolic profile, toxicology, that is the toxicity, drug interaction, animal model of disease state. The animal of test condition similar to the human condition. Animal and human of disease condition is too similar. Both are equivalent in mechanism. For example, for the HIV, SCID mice; for the diabetes, NOID mice. Behavioral studies: to study the behavioral result of drug used to observe depression and mental disorder. Example, despair based, reward based, anxiety based. Functional imaging: method of detecting or measuring changes in metabolism, blood flow, regional chemical composition, and absorption. Modalities used for functional imaging are the MRI and the CT scan. PET, positron emitting tracer, provide an important support for drug development. Radioactive tracer are also used. Probes are used. Ex vivo studies: in the ex vivo studies, experimentation on tissue in an artificial environment outside the organism with the minimum alteration of natural condition. Example, measurement of tissue property, realistic model for surgery. Thank you.